Trev.
Hey, buddy. Hey, my computer broke. Is it cool if I use yours to check MySpace?
Of course it is. Hey, bud. Okay. I'm gonna go check my grilled cheese.
You got it.
When will you die?
I'm sorry, Trev. Did you say you wanted? Close. Light on, light on. Stay close. How did I get here? I punished me. Hey, bud. Trevor, I thought you were dead.
I am dead, man. Check out my opacity.
Oh, yeah, just like when someone dies in the movies. Hey, are you cold too?
Only to my ex-wife.
You were never married.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Hey, I'm still here, buddy. All that heaven and hell stuff isn't real. When you die, you just hang around like in Ghost Dads.
Ooh, I love that movie.
Yeah. Bill Cosby's great.
So can you fly?
You bet I can.
That's my ghost, buddy!
I had a friend and he died one day, but he left a lot for me. He left his blood in.
Wow, New York!
Taxi!
Ooh, Gay Paris!
Wee wee! Hey, you know what time it is?
I don't have a watch. Wait a minute.
I sure miss my mommy. Do you think they got General Towels? Let's get a map to Bruce Willis's house.
Yippee-ki-yay! Sure is windy.
I get it.
Wow, Ghost Trevor. I sure had a great day today. I'm sure glad you died. Oh, that's cold.
Hey, not as cold as my lifeless body. Something about this place just makes me want to take a rest. Nice peaceful rest.
I gotta.
Yeah. Okay.
I gotta go home. Trev? Trev? All alone.